In this video, we are going to see how to create a dice game in JavaScript. So you people know what is dice, right? So we have a that square shape kind of coin there. Then on each side of that square that coin, we have some number between from 1 to 6. So whenever we are just rolling the dice, it gives the number between 1 to 6 actually, correct? So now we are going to develop that simple thing using our JavaScript. So here I'm just having a simple page here. I'm having one container and it has some dice. Okay, so here only our image will be loaded whenever we are clicking the button. So the button is below this one. So here, as you can see, the roll dice button is there, and I have created a simple CSS. As you people know, these are very simple CSS only. Okay, and then JavaScript, it has one function roll dice, which I have declared the function. It does not have any code here, and I am having a one function which gives me the dice image. So here the dice images already I downloaded I downloaded and kept it in my folder, which is called dice images. Dice 1 means it is one dice actually. Dice 2 means it has two number. Like this up to 6 actually. Okay, 1 to 6 I just created and I put it here. So if I pass 1 to this function, it gives me the first dice of image path. Like this up to 6 I can provide. So when I provide 6, it gives me the 6 number of dice actually here. Okay, so this is a simple function that I am having. Okay, so now whenever I'm clicking this roll dice button, it calls me the function. Okay, so in this function, what we are going to do, we are going to generate the number between 1 to 6. So in JavaScript, we have the method called math.random, which is the default function. So it gives me some random number, but here we need only 1 to 6. Below that or above that, we don't need any number, so we have to restrict that. So in order to do that, we have to multiply by 6 and we need to plus 1. So what this will do, this will give us the number between 1 to 6, and I will store this as a first what we can say first dice. Is it okay? Yeah, I think this would be the one. And yes, but this mostly this value will be in the decimal value. Maybe I will button. As you can see here, it gives me 4.5 some decimal numbers is giving, but we don't need the decimal numbers. We need, as like we need only whole number, then only we can able to load the images, right? It should be from 1 to 6. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the math.floor function, which helps us to math.floor, so which helps me to create a random number, sorry, whole number. Yeah, now as you can see here, randomly just created from 1 to 6 actually here. Okay, fine. So now our first dice is created. For the next dice, I'm just copy paste this one, that's it. So that would be easy. If you want, create your phone function or any other logic, but here I'm creating a simple one which is called second dice. Okay, so now I'm having a two dice value. So first dice is in some random value, second dice is also in some random value. So I'm just seeing in the, okay, so now as we all know, we have to pass this number to get the dice image, because we have to show the dice image, right? So here I will just use like document dot get element by id. Okay, so here I am going to mention that id, which is called dice image, because here only we are going to input our image. So dot inner html equal to get dice image. Here I will pass the first dice number. Okay, then I will add this one, second get dice image. Here I will mention the second dice image. That's it. Okay, so now the dice will be created and it will be injected into the particular page. Okay, let's see how it works actually. So now let me refresh it here. Okay, so now if I click on this one, as you can see here, the dice is created. So first dice is giving us around 5 and 6. If I give one more thing, so it's like this. So randomly it just created actually here. Okay, so this is called a dice programming. And but if you want to have some little animation, like it takes some 2 seconds to load the value, means what we can do, we can create some little animation. It means we are explicitly creating some delay in this output. Okay, instead of directly loading that value immediately, I'm just creating some little delay to looks good actually. Okay, so again, it is not actual thing. I'm just creating a little purposeful delay to looks good, which is I'm making a 2 seconds delay here. Okay, so what this will do, this will take 2 seconds to show the output. Okay, in between, meanwhile, before going to, I'm going to use one loading image actually. Okay, so already I'm having some loader based on this concept, which is called I will show you now this one. Can you see this one? this loader I want to show. This is like a kind of, it looks good whenever the user clicks on the button, we will see that, we will show the loader to the user, then it looks good, right? That's all. It's not actually the actual logic. This is just to show looks good actually here. Okay. So here what I am going to do in this place, before it shows the output, I am going to show the loader. So in this place I will just call the image called get loading image, this one. Okay, fine. So now let's see how it, this one, so refresh it here, roll dice. Okay, can you see this one? Yeah, then after 2 seconds we will see the dice. If I click one more time, we will see the dice and it looks good. If I click one more time, we will see the and one more thing. Okay guys, so yes, if you have any doubts you can just post in the comments. And one more thing, this programming or the source code is available in my blog itself, so I will share you the blog link in my, if it is YouTube you can find it in the description, if it is Instagram you can find it in the bio, and you can get the blog link and you can find the source code also. Moreover, the source code is available in the blog, full source code, and you can use it. Okay, and if you have any doubts, just don't forget to put comments. Thank you.